Unlock the power of precise marketing segmentation by mastering Leadconnector tag mapping in Zapier. Are you looking to supercharge your marketing by ensuring your Leadconnector GoHighLevel tags are working perfectly with Zapier? Today, we're diving deep into how to map those crucial tags so you can trigger the right automations and speak directly to your audience segments with laser-sharp accuracy. First things first, let's get our Zapier setup ready. You'll want to have a trigger event selected in Zapier that originates from Leadconnector, like a new contact created or a form submission. Once your trigger is set up, we move on to the crucial action step. This is where we'll tell Zapier what to do with that tag data. In your Zapier action step, choose the app you want to send your Leadconnector tag data to. This could be another CRM, an email marketing platform, or even a spreadsheet for this example. Let's imagine we're sending it to an email marketing service. Now comes the magic mapping. Look for the field in your action setup that corresponds to tags in your chosen app. Click on it, and Zapier will display a list of all the available data points from your Leadconnector trigger. You'll see your Leadconnector tags listed here. Carefully select the Leadconnector tag you want to map and drag it or select it to populate the tag field in your action app. If you have multiple tags, you can often map them individually or use Zapier's text formatting options to combine them if your target app supports it. This ensures that when a contact with a specific tag arrives in Leadconnector, that exact tag is transferred, not a generic label. By meticulously mapping your Leadconnector tags, you're enabling precise segmentation within other platforms, triggering highly targeted automations, and ultimately streamlining your entire marketing workflow. This is how you achieve truly effective, data-driven marketing. So go forth and map those tags. Your future automated marketing efforts will thank you.